Hi guys, my name is Marco and I want to welcome you on my YouTube channel Cars on Autobahn. This is for the first time what you can hear my voice, and I'm actually really glad that I make this decision and turn my microphone on. So I want to speak with you about what I really want, what you really want to see, where is the YouTube channel and entire thing what I'm doing going, which way I want to go this year, what I have for ideas for 2018 and next years. And I want to talk with you guys more about cars and answering your questions. So the first thing what I want to share with you is that I'm improving my sound quality on the YouTube channel, and every video recorded in 2018 is recorded in Dolby Digital surround sound, and I need to say I have few records behind me and it sounds really amazing. I can give you a small example of one of the last records. I need to say this mic is doing really fantastic job, and if you have still your headphones on, you can hear my voice now from the left side, and now I'm speaking to you from the right side. So that what he is doing, it's I think really unbelievable. And to this amazing experience what you have from the first person of driving on unrestricted autobahn, the sound quality where you can hear what is happening in front, back, left and right from you, it's really spectacular. I hear that now when I cut it and I was really mind blown. So the next thing what you already maybe noticed is Just Drive. It's a project about cars and the owners. I know many owners, they have really fantastic cars. You maybe some of them you never see in your life, me too, and they are hiding them. They are hiding them from the entire world, and they are taking them out once, twice or few times in a year just to drive few kilometers, and they put them back in garage. It's a shame, and I want to try to change this thing. I want to bring the people to take the car out, to share these cars and the experience of driving the car to you guys and the entire world, that we can really experience it anytime, anywhere we want. And that's the point of the Just Drive project. I hope it will work, and I hope I will find many people who want to show cars they are hiding. Thank you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave the comment below, ask me everything, anything what you want. Say if you like videos like this from my side. And yeah, and again, thank you for watching and have a nice day. See you in next video.